Fact 10. A most versatile and delicious food is the Excelsior Water Crackers. First made on Church Street in 1911 on wood burning stove. It is the part of our diet, our Jamaican diet. Yes, that nice crispy crackers. We can dip it in with tea. We can break it up in with soup. We can put jam on it. Our salamana our cheese. Yes, we can eat it by itself with little butter. Excelsior Water Crackers. It nice, man. Happy Independence, Jamaica. And thanks for watching. You can follow me on my social media on Facebook at tanya.hernandez.9440234 or on my Instagram at Doraytee, D-O-R-A-Y-T-E-E. You can also follow me on YouTube. Just put in Tania Hernandez or Miss Tania Lou. And you can also go on my website, TaniaLHernandez.com. What good?